Hello everyone, I'm Tuyến, a teacher of English. Like many other teachers, I always wish to do my best in order to help my students to learn in the most effective and successful way. One of the ways teachers can do in order to achieve such an aim is to be well aware of their teaching job, knowing who they are, what teaching methods they highly treasure, why they do what they usually do in the classroom, among many other things. And all of those things can be expressed in the so-called teaching philosophies or teaching philosophy statements. Teaching philosophy statements are not simply statements about teachers' beliefs or personal thoughts about the teaching practices. Instead, teaching philosophies need to be grounded in well-researched educational philosophies, which in their turn originate from the overarching field of philosophy itself. To the best of my knowledge, not many Vietnamese teachers discuss the topic. In some rare cases, some teachers even seem reluctant or unwilling to share their teaching philosophies. On the other hand, the research suggests that teachers should discuss their teaching philosophies with their colleagues in order to promote the self-awareness of the teaching job, thus improving and promoting their teaching practices and students' learning. Also, teaching philosophies can be used as tools for teacher education and professional development. However, scant literature on teaching philosophies can be found in the Vietnamese context. Therefore, to bridge such a gap, with this research, I aim to explore how teachers' revelation of the teaching philosophies or teaching philosophy statements influences the teaching and learning process. In other words, when teachers review or share the teaching philosophies or teaching philosophy statements, especially with the students, does that positively or negatively affect the teaching practices and the students' learning? The study is worth conducting because it helps to raise Vietnamese teachers' awareness about teaching philosophies and teaching philosophy statements. Also, it helps to give the Vietnamese teachers a deeper insight into their teaching practices and the students' learning in relation to whether they should review their teaching philosophies or teaching philosophy statements. The study is also expected to make both theoretical and practical contributions to the fields of teacher education and teacher professional development in Vietnam. That's all about what I'm going to do in my coming research. Thanks for watching.